Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Turning your passion project into a fully fledged company? Well, congratulations, you've taken the fantastic first step. But before you yell CEO from the rooftops, there's a crucial hurdle: registering your company with Companies House. So let's see how you do it in today's video. Hello there, my name's Ian from Your Company Formations, where forming your company is as easy as slipping on a banana skin. Mountains of paperwork, legal jargon, endless waiting. Fear not, future entrepreneurs, this video will be your one-stop guide to filing your company formation documents with Companies House. We'll break down the process step by step so you can register your business with confidence. But let's be honest, sometimes going it alone can be stressful. That's where yourcompanyformations.co.uk comes in. We can take the weight off your shoulders, freeing you to focus on what truly matters: building your business empire. So if you want to avoid the headache of forms and filing, stop this video now, give us a call and we'll sort it all out for you. If, however, you are a glutton for punishment, grab a pen and a paper, or maybe just your phone for note taking, because in the next few minutes you'll be a company formation pro. First things first, Companies House is the official register for companies in the UK. Registering your business there gives it a legal recognition and allows you to open a business bank account, essential for any company. Oh, if you're wondering actually about business bank accounts, check out this video here to see what's available. But for now, back to the main subject. There are two main ways to file your formation documents. That's online and by post. Obviously, online method is generally faster and easier, but there are a few things to keep in mind. You'll need a government gateway first of all, and you get this by, yep, you guessed it, filling out a form online, and a company authentication code. This code is unique to your company and ensures the security of the filing process. The documents you need to file will depend on the type of company that you're registering. Now, for most businesses, that's a limited company, but there are other options. The key documents typically include a company name availability check, a memorandum of association, and articles of association. So you'll need to collate and supply all of these. These documents outline your company's structure, purpose, and rules. Be very careful when submitting these documents, as a slip-up is hard to change. Filling out these forms can get a little tricky, so go slow and make sure to read and reread everything before submitting. Then you just have to wait the required amount of time, and fingers crossed there are no delays because of a tiny slip in the information. Starting a business is a whirlwind. We are here at Your Company Formations to make it easy, allowing you to focus on your core business idea. We can offer valuable advice and ensure you comply with all the legal requirements. Of course, using us does come with a cost, but weigh that up against the potential headaches and delays navigating the process alone. Think of it as an investment in getting your business off the ground smoothly and efficiently. You can see the cost of all our packages on our website, where you can choose the best option for your budget, or just give us a call for some friendly advice. Remember, this video is just a starting point. There's a lot more to company formation than we can cover here, but if you are ready to turn your dream into reality, with the knowledge you've gained today and maybe some help from us, filing your company formation documents with Companies House won't seem so daunting anymore. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and info, and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching.